First, take off the pre-installed screen protector. Clean the screen with the included wet wipe. Now use the small guide stickers to stick it down on top of the screen protector, so not underneath where you would peel off the plastic. And you want to put them on both sides on the screen protector to form almost like a hinge. Place the screen protector down as a test fit, ensuring that the top loudspeaker isn't being covered and the bottom bezel below this on the bottom of the screen is fitting well. Then you'll want to stick down each guide sticker to the side of the phone. So one on that side and one on this side. Now unfortunately you might find that the guide stickers aren't strong enough, so here we'll be using an extra bit of packing clear tape I use here. So just like using the guide stickers, I stick them down on either side of the phone. Just a small strip really. Clean the screen for the final time, checking for any smudges or any dust using the microfiber cloth and the dust sticker. Then peel back the protective plastic film on the screen protector and let it fall down. Use the microfiber cloth to clean off any smudges or any air gaps that might occur, and then you can peel off the hinges. And you're done.